No! Huh? Sammy? Go, horsey! Oh! Look what I got for you! Yay! My favorite! I will play with you forever! Aww. My old rattle, I still remember. Those were the days... Huh? But I don't expect anyone.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Open the garage! The car is coming! Not hungry? I know! No one can resist the charm of my old baby rattle. Huh? You don't like it? Please don't cry, baby, or I will cry too! This is a nightmare!
Oh no! Is someone crying? Sammy? What's going on here?
Here, Sue, read this!
Dear Sam, look after the baby while Ken and I expedition in the Tibadaba Mountains. Yours, Barbie.
Sue, help me! He cries all the time and it makes me cry too!
It's okay, Sammy. I'll help you. Just pull yourself together.
Oh, thank you. I could really use a break. Oh, come on. What a strange poppet. It refuses to pop.
It's because it's not a poppet. Better relieve some stress with this.
Oh, okay.
And we will use this thing to make a rattle for the baby.
By the way, do you think the baby will a lollipop? Oh, no.
Sammy, babies can't have lollipops anyway. But these little pieces are just what we need for the rattle.
It's hygiene time. Hey, come back. That's for me.
I think this would be just right for the handle. Now we can put everything together.
Sue, can you hurry up or I might start crying again?
Please don't. I'm almost done. Hey, little fella, look what I got for you.
Phew, the little guy is happy again. Ouch! Huh? I think he just bit me, Sue. Ah, Sue, he's gonna eat me. Hurry, we need to find food. Ouch! Ow, please stop.
This could make a nice baby bottle. Sammy, have you seen my nail file?
Here it is. Want your nails done? Me and my assistant will give you the best nail design ever.
No, thanks. Just the nail file, please.
Oh, well, ouch! Sue, hurry up. He's at it again.
I'm trying, Sammy. Distract the baby for now.
Drawing is a great and relaxing distraction. I don't like this, Sue. He's up to something.
Oh, Sammy, don't be dramatic. He's just hungry. But the bottle will be ready soon, and we will feed him.
You're right. He's just a hungry little baby. What's happening? Where are you dragging me?
Okay, our bottle is ready.
I may be pink, but I'm not candy.
Hey, little buddy, don't eat Sammy. Better try this.
What's that? Oh no, Sue, dirty diaper alert.
Don't panic. I know just what to do.
Look, I found a bond.
Great. It's just what I need.
Hey, what are you doing with my perfect bun?
Let's say it's a very special bun. And the last piece, voila!
Oh, cool. Now you'll be clean and smell good. Looks like someone could use a bath companion. Just a little bit more here and there. Uh-huh. Nice. Behold! The coolest bath ducky ever is coming! At least that's what I meant to make. What do you say, Sue?
Not bad. Let me just work it up a bit. Now that's more like it.
You're right, but still something is missing.
How about a nice little beak? And the eyes, of course.
Step aside, Sue. I'll take it from here. Focus, Sammy. You can do it. call perfection.
Here's your new friend. Yay! Baby seems to love his new bathing companion.
Right, that's taken care of. Now it's time for the hair wash.
Sammy, where did you go?
Hair wash time, duh.
Weren't we bathing the baby?
The baby? Right, I forgot.
All right. We need to make a special baby shampoo.
I also wanted to show you this weird thing I found.
Oh, it's a bottle cap. See, that's to keep the shampoo from spilling. And, of course, a bright label so you don't mix up the bottles. Hey, little guy, close your eyes for me.
What else do we need? Hey, who scattered all this stuff around?
Aren't you the one who did it, Sammy? But it's okay. We can make baby oil from this.
Leave it to me, Sue. It will be done in no time. So, you were saying? No way. She did all this? Awful.
Hold on, please.
Why? Whoopsie.
Good thing I have a spare. Now, the label. Here we go.
This can be dangerous. We need to move all this before the little guy gets to it.
Good call, Sammy. In the meantime, I'll finish with the baby oil. That's it! No more irritations. Here it is. Huh? Where's the baby?
What's up, little fella? Want your mommy? Oh, he must be teething. My mama always said that the best thing against teething is lollipops. Well, maybe it only works for baby slimes?
I think he needs a pacifier, Sammy. Something like this. We only need a holder.
Hey guys, don't forget to give our video a like. Hey, I'm not done yet.
You might not be done yet, but the baby won't wait. There we go. Now, why don't you give it a try? That's so sweet. Uh-oh, he's crying again. Was it a bad dream?
I know a perfect remedy for bad dreams. Oh, whoa. We need to make a teddy bear. Can you help me, Sue?
Sure thing, Sammy. I'm already on it.
Here are the paws. Our teddy bear must be super cuddly.
You are absolutely right, Sammy.
Check me out, Sue. Do you think I look like a teddy bear?
You sure do. But let's finish this one and give it to the baby, okay?
Oh, I can't wait to show it to him.
Sammy, you're scaring him. We should finish it up first.
Oh no, not again. Hush, little baby, don't cry, come on.
We can't keep the baby waiting for too long. Let's speed up. There you go, sweetie. He will protect your dreams.
So cute. They make me sleepy too.
Alrighty, just a little bit more.
Sue, I have to admit, these earrings are different sizes and don't look good.
Then, it's good these aren't earrings, Sammy.
And why there's a birthday hat lying around anyway?
You're not grabbing it, Sammy. Look.
Oh, I think I get it now. 1, 2, 3. Yay, it's the best baby toy ever!
Hey, buddy, it's for you.
Oh yeah, that was a great idea. That'll keep him busy. Huh? Oh no, little guy, where are you? There you are. Since you want to go out so badly, I know what we need. Bam! A baby stroller.
This could actually work, Sammy. Well done. But what color should we make our stroller?
Oh, the baby has great taste. I like that color.
And we'll add some ornaments, too.
Oh no, that's not how you use a plate. There, see? The food goes on top of the plate.
That's right. Except it's not a plate. It's a wheel. And of course we won't forget about the baby's comfort. Here goes a soft blanket.
What about the pillow? Don't forget the pillow.
Here we go. Now, the little guy is all set for a nice stroll. In the meantime, let's take a look at all the crafts we've made today. Wow, we had a really busy day today. Friends, don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to this channel, of course. I hope you will subscribe too, little man.
Hey guys, we're back. Thanks for watching our baby. We need to go now. See you around.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, right. Bye.
Amateurs. Hiya, everybody.
Welcome to Magic, Your Highness!
Who's crying?
It's the Countess! Nobody can cheer her up!
Oh, please don't pay any attention to me. Oh, like I deserve any attention. Just pretend I'm not here.
Not even a cuddle can help her. Let's just say that she thinks everyone has forgotten her birthday.
It's her birthday?
So you did forget.
Nobody told us.
Oh no, this is awful. Okay, we need to think of a great idea to make today the best birthday Elizabeth ever had.
Exactly. We'll throw her a big party.
Oh, I have big news, big news. Oh, I can't talk about it. Yes, I can. Zsa, what is it? I saw a troubadour's boat. A troubadour. Apparently, he's on his way to Magic-y. And I saw him with a guitar. Tonight. He's probably coming to give a special private concert for you. Oh, it's so exciting.
A concert tonight?
I have a great idea. Elizabeth, how would you like to have a concert to celebrate your birthday?
A concert for my for me?
Zsa, invite the whole kingdom to the concert in honor of Countess Elizabeth. Bye.
Sydney, be honest. Do you prefer this side or this side?
Ah, princesses, there you are. I have amazing, exceptional, fantastic.
Out with it already.
There, if you insist. Tonight, a concert will be held at Billy's Castle, featuring a troubadour. He's called Trumpet. With a name like that, he must be fun, right? See, you must come. I can't wait. I have to tell everyone else.
Hold on. In the meantime, we'll just make 1 or 2 little changes to the invitation. Okay, Zsa, you can go and invite everyone. But you know the concert is now at our castle, not Billy's.
Oh dear. I'll have to go back and tell everyone again. Bye.
Bandus! There is no way that a troubadour is going to sing for Elizabeth and the rest of the kingdom. He's going to sing for us and for us alone. Find us that troubadour!
Balloons? Oh, this can't be for my little old birthday. Oh, Sir Kitty Cat, you're such a kidder.
Yeah, I meant to do that.
Hello, everyone. Can I borrow some chairs? Zsa has invited so many people to the Twin Princesses concert that we've run out of seats.
Huh, the Twin Princesses concert? What are you talking about?
Aren't you getting mixed up with this concert?
I'm not mixed up. They're having a troubadour concert. The invitation is very clear. He's called Crumpet, I think. Or Trumpet. I can't remember.
Sounds like Zsa got things mixed up again.
Oh, Zsa!
You do know she never comes when you really need her.
We have to find her before she invites everybody to the wrong concert.
And we better do it fast, or there won't be anyone here for Elizabeth's birthday.
Zsa! Yo! You called? Yes, we were getting worried. I think you've got a bit mixed up with the invitations. The concert is here, not at the Twin Princesses Castle. Oh, really? But I just followed what it says on the poster.
Huh, it's another one of the twins' mean tricks.
But how are they going to organize a concert without Trumpet the Troubadour? He's coming to play a concert here, invited by our princess, right? Isn't he, Billy?
Huh? A trumpet concert without trumpet? You're right. It doesn't make any sense. What's going on?
That must be him. The sound's coming from the harbor.
It's a concert for my birthday.
So, where is he then?
Trumpet the Troubadour was arrested for entering the twins' territory carrying a guitar, something which has been against the law since half an hour ago.
But I always play guitar. Please do something, Your Highness. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Stop!
Poor thing! He's being held prisoner!
Look! Concert confirmed. Tonight only. We have to rescue Trumpet the Troubadour!
And make sure that Countess Elizabeth gets her birthday party!
Yeah!
What?
Look, they're holding him prisoner over there. The problem is those fur balls guarding him.
The area is secure. Yes. Yes, we can start the concert soon.
That's odd. There's his guitar way over there.
So they're having a concert without a guitar?
How can he play the guitar if he's all tied up? Wait! I have an idea! Truman, you go on stage and play guitar. Come with me!
Sir, no one's allowed on stage.
Relax. I'm the guitar player. The concert is about to start, isn't it?
It's a concert. Someone's got to play the guitar. Guitar's allowed, let him in.
I'm here to set you free. I'm gonna play guitar. You're going to sing.
Excuse me, but, I just...
Right on time! Oh, I can't wait! Oh. He said that he... What? I can't hear you!
I think you have the wrong person. I'm not a singer or a rock star. In fact, I'm a terrible singer.
What? What does that mean?
This? I'm an igloo salesman. I have no idea what made you think I'm a rock star.
What? You're not Trumpet the Troubadour?
I have a guitar because I use it in my job, selling igloos. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall. If you need an igloo, I'm the man to call. My igloos are the best around and on sale at the mall.
You call this a concert?
Now what are we going to do for Elizabeth's birthday party?
Are you sure about this?
Yes, together for Elizabeth. Countess Elizabeth, I know you are expecting Trumpet the Troubadour, but plans sort of changed. This is our birthday gift for you.
What?
Girl, you'll always be a friend to me. Whenever we're together, you will see that when friends can laugh together through good or bad, whatever. Together, we're better than me. Together, we're better than me.
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. That was very rude to take those tickets out of our hands.
Well, it's rude not to invite your sisters to see their favorite singer.
Actually, look in the envelope. There are 4 tickets. I was going to invite you guys too.
What?
But we need to go right now, or else we'll be late.
Really? Right now? We can't go to a boober concert dressed like this.